Hi friends, welcome once again to session on AutoCAD. In this session we're going to discuss regarding trim command. Trim command is basically used to remove those geometrical entities or the portion of the geometrical entities which is not required, which is beyond my requirement. So those entities can be removed. Let us see how exactly we can invoke this command. This is trim. I can enter trim in the command prompt. So it's going to be selected. So first it's asking for the selection of the objects. Select entity which is going to act like cutting edge. There are two concepts here, cutting edge and the geometrical entity which has to be removed. So this is my cutting edge. So I can select this, select the cutting edge. After that it's going to ask for the entity to be removed. So this is the circle. Either I can remove the top of the circle or bottom of the circle. You want to remove the top of the circle, select the top portion. You want to remove the bottom of, so select the top bottom of. But be specific. You have to select not only the circle, you have to select the direction also. In the sense, if you click here, that itself indicates the direction. So by selecting the entity, if you want to remove the bottom off, you select here. So ensure that either you want to click at the top or bottom as per your requirement. If you want to remove the top portion, click on the top portion. You want to remove the bottom portion, click on the bottom portion. So I want to remove the top portion. I'm going to click here. You can observe here the top portion got trimmed. So that is the option. Let us use the other options. There are some options in AutoCAD. Using those options you can reduce your time. The shortcuts in AutoCAD in order to execute the trim command. What I can do is, so I'm going to create multiplication of these lines to show you how exactly it's going to work. I'm going to use the trim command. I'm going to select the cutting edge and then entities to be removed. I'm selecting one by one. So it is laborious and time consuming. If you have millions of lines, you have to spend millions of seconds on this one. Instead of this, there's a command in AutoCAD, trim. So select the cutting edge and then there's something known as fence. Select this, then select the entities. It's a two-step process. That's it. You can just perform the trim option in two steps rather than clicking each and every entity from morning till evening. You can perform this and then close the operation. That's all in this session, friends. We're going to continue the trim command in the next session. Till then, keep watching, subscribe to my videos and enjoy. Thank you.